Excited ako na sa ating third quarter. It's a foul. First shot is good for Andres. Zach. Second shot is good. The steal. Andres, spin move, block from behind. Number 14 using the glass and score. Uy, there's a foul. Bola rito ng Olops. Cross-court pass at the middle. Gets the three, miss, rebound ng Lasal. Maki, cross-court pass for three. Ooh! Sayang. Tumama sa ring. Jumble na tayo dito. Pero may foul ang tinawag nating referee. Shooting the line, Andres. Zach. Wala. Second shot for Zach. That's Zach Andres. Basket is good. Substitution, Jake Almeida coming in. Oh, sobra. Hindi na magawan. Number 10, side step, using the glass and score. Maki. Pass to Andres, back to Maki. Maki for three, too strong. Makakuha ni Kian, out of bound, last touch. Same ball. Oh, steal! I am not too strong. Out of bound. Green ball. It's a foul. Oh, sorry. Correction. Out of bound. Munti ka na. There's a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 14, Zach Andres. Olofs doon. 29-33. Another steal for Olofs. Miss. Wala. Ay na, nagagawan. Makakuha rito ng out of bounds. Last touch. Number 17 for 3, miss. Rebound ng Lasal. Number 10, Maki, short. Number 17, blocked by ay na, number 14, umatake, too strong, rebound. Nakalusot. There's a foul, number 9. That's Jake Almeida. Two shots for jersey number 10. Good. Second shot is good. Uno gets a foul. Number 17. Fisher scored 36-29. Jake, pass number 44. Top of the key for 3. Yes, sir. Ay, Aaron. Ay na. Umatake. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ng Lasal. Ay na, si Maki. Nagmamadali. Maki. Basket. Mabala lamang sa dalawa. Uy. Out of bound. Green ball. Last 46 seconds. Maki. Pass to Jake. Jake side step. Pass to Aaron. Aaron. Kick out. Jake. Ooh. That's a trouble. Time remaining, last 29 seconds. Oopsie. out. Running shot. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha rito. Puno. Tight away. Aaron. Binigay. 7. Number 30. Basket. Tabla tayo. 1. Nabitawan. And that's the end of our third period. Official scores all 36. Ihabol pa. Ni Idol, ang bola doon. Tabla na tayo sa 36. Okay, dito na tayo sa ating fourth and last quarter. Sino kaya ang magwawagi sa labanang ito? Ayan, shoutout po sa inyo lahat. Especially to our De La Salle Zobel parents. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Excited ako na sa ating fourth and last quarter. Here we go. Fourth quarter. Bola rito ng ating De La Salle Zobel. Aaron knocks it down 3-point shot and change favor. Lamang na tayo ng tatlo. Number 2, running shot, miss it. Rebound. Makuha ni Maki. Maki nagpapadali, binigay kay Aaron. Aaron waiting for his teammate. Pass to Puno. Back to Jake. Jake 4-3. Too strong. Nabitawan. Puno 4-3. Too strong. Oopsie. There's a foul. Number 10. By Mateo.
That's good, Mateo.
Time remaining 8 minutes and 43 seconds. Bola ng Olops. SC. Ayun na. Number 23. Number 2, 4-3, short. Hand off, Aaron, 4-3. No good. Ayun na ang Olops. Babawi sa 3. Hoy! At nakabawi ang Olops. 39-all. Hand off to Aaron. Pass to Jake. To Maki. Maki fake. Maki sumalaksak. Floater. Miss. Rebound by the jersey number 10. Sa corner, tumira sa 3, too strong, rebound by Jake. Almeda, nagpapadali. Pass to Aaron. Aaron. Fake, binigay, open man. Puno, 4-3. No good, rebound. Ay na, munti ka na magawan. Makakukuha ba? Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Olops SC. Outlet pass. Ayan na, number 10, too strong. Fade away shot, wala. Out of bounds, last touch. De La Salle Zobel basketball. Oopsie, out of bounds. Aaron. Pass to Maki. Maki block. Traveling violation. Out of pass. One-on-one. Number 10. Oy! At nakalusot. Aaron, step back three. No good. Ay na, number 10. Umatake. Too strong. Rebound by Maki. Steal. Walang rebound. Last touch. Time out. De La Salle. Zubel. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 7 seconds. Back to the ball game. 39-41. Maki. Pass to Aaron. Back to Maki. Maki. Sidestep. Oy. Steal. Ng Olops.
Okay, defense. Defense. Go on, defense. 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 Defense, Adi. Defense. Defense. Get the ball.
Oh, that's a travel. Good defense para sa atin. De La Salle Zubel. Substitution, Kobe. And Andy Soriano coming in. Oh, sorry, that's Zach Andres. Mio. Pass to Kobe. Kobe. Oh, there's a foul. That's a blocking foul. Mio to Kobe. Kobe 4-3, short, rebound. Ay na, nakuha ng Lasal. Rebound. Last touch. Blue ball. Three minutes and 6 seconds. Number 8 to number 10. Offensive foul. By jersey number 10. Bola rito ng Lasal. Let's go. Makakabawi kaya ang Lasal. Mio. Dagdagan. Pass to Kobe. To Zach. Andres. Pass to... Whoa! Kobe, that's a travel. Traveling violation for Kobe Feliciano. Let's go. Out and pass. Ani mo.
Andy, defense! Defense!
Ay na, binigay sa corner. Uy!
Oy, stop! Nakita ko yun, ha?
Tumama na po sa pader. Ay, hindi naman siya pader. Totally.
Shoot ball, boys! Shoot ball!
Time remaining, almost 2 minutes ng ating game clock. Mio handoff. Mio may tanga na bola. Ay na, Kobe, jump shot and score! Kobe Feliciano. Ayan na, tabla tayo sa 41. Oy, last touch. Out of bound. Bola rito ng Olops. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Time out. Time out. Olops SC. Time remaining 1 minute and 35 seconds. Okay, let's back to the ball game. Boy. Laking foul. Time remaining 1 minute and 35 seconds. Bola rito ng mga naka-blue. Ayan na. Ayan na, double team. Number 2. Quick. Tumira sa 3. Wala. Rebound. Pass to Aaron Reguera. Ayan na. Tumira sa 3. Miss. Rebound by number 10. Number 10. Nagmamadali. Binigay. Steal. Naka-recover. Out of bound. Stepping on the line. Last 59 seconds. Isang minuto para sa labang ito. All 41. Aaron. Back to Aaron. Pass to Kobe. Kobe, didiskarte. Binigay. Oh! 3-point by jersey number 12. Ayan na, another steal for Zach Andres. Pero, out of bound. What a dagger 3-point for Andy Soriano. 44-41. Tatlo lamang ng Lasal. Last 39 seconds remaining. Ayan na, nagkakagulo na po dito sa ating venue. Oh, wait lang. Upo lang daw, sabi natin referee. Kalma lang tayo mga idol. Cool down, cool down, cool down. Depensa ang Lasal. Ayan na, sino tatanggap? Uy! Bigay! Uy, miss! Pumatake at nakalusot ang Olops. Ayan na, ang Lasal. Hindi ko napindot, sorry. Andy, binigay. Zach. Toss out, Kobe. Binigay kay Zach. Binigay kay number 30. Oy! And that's a traveling violation. Sayang. Okay lang yan. Babawi yan sa depensa. Time out. Lasal. sorry, timeout. Olops SC, 44-43. 1 point lead for LaSalle. For De La Salle Zobel, rather. Ayan. Ay. Shout out. Ayun, no? Coach JR De La Cruz. Okay, back to the ball game. 23 seconds remaining. May pag-aataon bang makabawi?
Defense, boys. Defense.
Ang mga nakasul. Tingnan natin kung makakabawi sila rito. Full court defense tayo. Bola ng Olops. Ayan na, at last 23 seconds. Sino tatanggap? Maitatawid ba? Ayan na, naitawid. Yung number 23. Pass number 10. Number 10, didiskarte. Spin move. Umatake. Tumira. Short. Rebound ng mga na-green. Ayan na si Zach. Zach. Oy. Wait lang daw. Binigay. Umatake. Ball! What a buzzer beater for jersey number 14. That's Zach. And the rest. Pasok daw yun, sabi ng ating referee. Okay. Okay, at dito na po nagtatapos sa ating laban. 46-43 sa pagtatapos na ating laban. Shoutout all doon. Tingnan natin. Wala akong malang live eh. Alright, nice game para sa Olops SC and congratulations para sa ating De La Salle Zobel. Wow, grabe. Ay, sorry.
Tinatawag si Kuya yung driver niya.
Thank you. Pinalaglag pala. Okay po. Congrats. Grabe, test na. Tayo pasok pa ni Andres. Eh, shoutout kay Kuya Sir. Congrats. Ayan. At tayo nakalusot sa labang yun. Grabe. Nahabol, nakambak natin ang laban. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood and God bless everyone and keep safe.